Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we'll be making mutton nihari. Nihari originates from Arabic word nahar, which means morning. It was originally eaten by the Nawabs of the Mughal Empire as a breakfast item after their morning prayer. We will start today with the Nihari Masala. This is a magic masala made from these simple spices. Let's take these whole spices, which are cumin, peppercorn, bay leaf, green cardamom, black cardamom, fennel seeds, cloves, cinnamon sticks, and ginger in the specified quantity. Dry roast them in high heat for a minute and then grind them together. And our masala is ready. So for the gravy, we'll be needing these ingredients. The mutton for nihari should be cut in small pieces. Let's take 2 tablespoons of ghee and let it heat. Thinly slice 2 small onions. When the ghee is hot, add the onions to the karhai. Fry them well, and while frying, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon such that we can bring more exciting recipes to you. Take 500 grams of small mutton pieces. Add them to the fried onions. Now add 1 teaspoon each of garlic and ginger paste. Give it a stir and add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Add salt as per your taste and fry well in high heat. Add the earlier made Nihari masala and mix it properly. Now add 2 cups of water and slow cook the mutton in low heat. But if you are busy like us, pressure cook the mutton till it is tender. Add 1 tablespoon of wheat flour to thicken the gravy. Mix it properly so that no lumps are formed. Mutton nihari is absolutely ready. Have it with any kind of Indian bread. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.